Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic gas detection and alerting through buzzer, and also automatically valve controlling, LPG gas cylinder valve controlling using servo motor. So here we have interfaced the 5-volt operated servo motor, which is torque of 10 kgs. So it is real-timely regulator attached to this servo motor, and initially when we switch on the kit, it is open condition, and whenever the gas is detected, gas leakage was detected from this MQ2 gas LPG gas sensor, so which is combustible gas sensor. So based on the detection of this one, so the Arduino Uno will take a decision to rotate this valve to off the gas flow from the cylinder to outside, and also we indicated the same status through the audible alert buzzer, and also we are going to switch on the exhaust fan, so in order to remit the gas inside the chamber or a room. So coming to the flow of the power, so we are going to provide 230 volts input to this adapter, and this adapter will provide us 5 volts regulated power supply. So 230 volts AC inputs, 5 volts regulated power supply outputs. So that 5 volts power supply is given to this breadboard. So on this breadboard we are going to distributing the particular 5 volts throughout the board parallelly. So then we are going to provide the same 5 volts to the buzzer board as well as relay board for the on and off this fan, and gas sensor and Arduino Uno board as well as to servo motor. So that's why we are using this breadboard to distribute the power supply. And coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced a gas sensor at A0 pin of our Uno board and a servo motor attached at 9th pin, and a buzzer and a fan parallelly attached to the 13th pin of our Arduino Uno board. And coming to the each and every board, so here we have using the transistor switching board. So as you know, the basic operation of transistor, that is BC547. So microcontrollers, Arduino Uno will switch on the transistor will switch on the buzzer. So here we are using this transistor as a switch, and same here also we are going to on the transistor here, and this transistor will switch on the relay, a relay will switch on the fan, so through the 9 volts battery connectors we are using 9 volts battery for the fan. And on this relay board we can see the one LED indication to show the relay status, and also one more diode is there. We can see that the diode is used to flyback diode, so in order to eliminate the back EMF generated from the relay. So it's nothing but freewheeling diode on this one. So let us see the demonstration. So when we switch on the kit, buzzer and fan on and off 2 times, just to indicate the kit initialized properly. And after that, if is there any gas leakage detected, there will be a one green light will be indicated through the gas indication. Right. So we can see that the servo motor is rotating, and exhaust fan and buzzer continuously on till we need to reset this Uno board. Right. I'm resetting that, and now we can see that the servo motor set to initially, and whenever the gas leakage is detected, so we are switching off the gas. And in order to make it normal, we need to check where the gas leakage is happening, and then we need to restart the system, and then it will come back to the on position. Right, now it is on. After buzzer and fan on and off 2 times, then we need to provide the gas inputs. Right. So we can see the same valve behavior inside that also. This is the lever which is attached to the gas cylinder. See, we can see that it will come out. So it is right, it's coming out now. It's going inside, nothing but it's closing the lever of the gas cylinder. Then the gas flow will be off from the regulator to the outside. Right. After on and off 2 times, then so it's rotating, right. And after that again reset to make it normal.